guys, welcome to CruzieTV. For those of you that are new, welcome, and if you're not new, I'm glad that you're back. So today's video is going to be all about nails. People ask me all the time, how is it that my manicure lasts so long? Usually a manicure lasts around 2 weeks, but I have a little trick that I like to do to make that longer, sometimes even a whole month. Now, I know this might not be something new, maybe you've heard of it, seen other people, it's old news to you, but people ask me and I figured I'll just make a video about it. So you know when your nails start to grow, you'll see like a gap in between where the new nail is and the old nail polish or the old acrylic nail is. Well, there's a trick that I like to do to make that, you know, kind of like camouflage it or hide that and make the illusion of a fresh manicure. Before we begin, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Alright my friends, that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't know about this, I hope you try it out. Let me know in the comments below if you liked it, if it's something that you're interested in. And that's it for now. I'll see you next time. Bye!